Hello everyone! Today we're going to dissect a super exciting video about two guys harvesting wild honey. Let's see what they're up to. The video opens with a stunning natural scene. Lush green mountains surrounding a charming little house nestled in a vibrant garden. Just looking at it is so peaceful, right? The birds are chirping. This idyllic setting makes me even more eager to see what the two guys will do next. Oh, look at those wild, bitter melons, so green and fresh. Definitely a local product of this mountainous region. A flock of chickens are pecking at grains, a familiar sight in the countryside, so simple yet lovely. Wow! An aerial shot reveals a vast countryside with sprawling green rice terraces, interspersed with quaint little houses. This majestic and picturesque scene makes me even more curious about the honey hunting adventure of our two protagonists. Here come our two heroes. One is carrying a backpack, the other isn't. The backpack-wearing guy seems to be the guide, very agile and familiar with the challenging terrain. The other one appears a bit more hesitant. Seeing that treacherous path filled with sheer cliffs, I'm a little worried about their safety. They're climbing the tree. The backpack guy skillfully climbs using the tree trunks and vines, while the other one seems more cautious. This guy is methodical and sure-footed. Smoke billows up from below. I guess it's to keep the bees away. They've reached the beehive. It's perched high up in a very precarious spot, yet they remain calm and confident. I admire their bravery. I can almost smell the rich aroma of wild honey already. The backpack guy is instructing the other on how to harvest the honey. His guidance is meticulous and careful. He's clearly experienced. The beehive is enormous. I bet it weighs at least 10 kilos. The second guy is expertly cutting sections of honeycomb. The honey looks glistening and golden. It's incredibly tempting. The smoke continues to billow, keeping the bees at bay. This guy is remarkably careful and skillful. He's quite thoughtful, I'd say. Oh my goodness, so much honey. I'm on the edge of my seat wondering how they'll get all this honey down. This guy is incredibly adept and gently placing the honey into the bag. The bag ripped, but the guy remains calm and handles the situation well. He is incredibly resourceful and quick thinking. His adaptability is amazing. The honey's bagged and he takes a moment to rest. He seems tired but still cheerful. They're cleaning up the remaining honey. They work efficiently and leave nothing behind. They're dividing the honey. The honeycomb is separated. They're happy and excited about their bountiful harvest. They work very well as a team. The second guy is still harvesting the remaining honey. The honey looks so delicious. These two are incredibly diligent and hardworking. They're packing up and preparing to descend. They're very organized and clean. They are extremely thorough in their work. They're climbing down. The descent is also dangerous, but they're careful and supportive of each other. They show true teamwork and care for one another. They've made it down safely. I'm so relieved. That pile of honey looks incredible.